Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G30 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to do it is open calendar application. I need to tap there and on month to be easily to add, and there when we have this view we press on day when we want to add our event, maybe 22 of May, and there this plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event, what you need. There we can add event to our group on Gmail. In this case, we can set when event starts and finish, in which time, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Repeat of it, maybe every week, every day, every month, every year, what you prefer and need, or don't repeat or custom. We can add this event to people calendar. You can make video conference when event starts. We can add location of that, notification to that, maybe 1 week before at 9 AM we can add more than one. We can change color which we see in our calendar, description and attachment to that. After we set all we need, you mustn't give all information, we can set only what you need. We press save and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!